Namaste. We are going to close our 2020 and open the 2021 innings, the year innings. How has been our 2020? Everybody knows. Very difficult, very tough, and it would have been a year of turmoil and topsy turvy. So, let us check with the tarot card for each sign what 2021 holds for us. Now, I am going to do a tarot reading session for Tula Rasi or the Libra sign. How will this 2021 be for them? Now, how will be the reading? First, I would be taking the three cards, telling them how the year in general will be. Then, I will take two cards for the work, family life and finance, because this would be a comprehensive reading, and also it will give them an idea what they should do, what they should not do. Should they need a ritual, what would be the ritual they need. So let us do the tarot session for Tula Rasi or the Libra sign. So I am going to do a general reading where I am going to take three cards. For the year 2021, it is 4 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups and the 7, the Chariot. For Tula Rasi, it's going to be a very easy year. Lot of good things will happen. Outside people will help you, and lot of other people will do lot of things for you. It's very, very important, because not all the time we can do something and finish it or close it. We need lot of other people's energy as well as support system. So for Tula Rasi, you will be getting that support system from the outsiders. And also you have to just tell your mom or the elderly women, they'll be more helpful to you. And sometimes it will be like you need to be alone. You will be going out traveling or taking up a journey to a holy place, or meeting a teacher where you will be concentrating with your own self, which should be something like self actualization. So the 2021 will have two extremes. One way, because you have got the 7 of Chariot and 8 of Cups. One way you want to be alone. Another side you will have lot of jubilation where you will be with the family members. Some positive events like marriage can open up, and everybody will be looking up to you and finding out like what you have been doing, what has been there, and how you have grown. So it will be like two extremes where you will be with the people, at the same time you want to withdraw from the crowd and check how your life is going on. So this will be like 2021, really very self growth year is what I would say. Now for Tula Rasi, we will check how their work will be. Ace of Pentacles and 2 of Cups. Yes, Ace of Pentacles, very, very stabilizing, self-sufficient, satisfactory work. 2 of Cups, you cannot do it anything alone. You have to take outside people's help, or rather take the team members' help. When lot of people work together, the work will also get over. And very, very important, do lot of appreciation to people. That's how you can get the work done. So in the essence, it would be like you will be allotted with some people under you whom you have to train or whom you have to push them to make the work done, which is quite challenging, because if we are going to do the work alone, we know what the work have to do, we will finish it fast, but you will be given 2-3 people under you whom you have to train and build up the work. So it will be very challenging but very satisfactory work for you in 2021. Now let us go for the financial situation. 3 of Wands and the Devil card. Very pretty tough financial year. One thing is, you will be changing the cell phone, then changing your laptops, and you will be forced to change because the situation either warrants you, and you will be have lot of traveling expenses. Don't plan anything, don't keep a money just like that because I'm going to hold it for the next year, I'm going to save it. When you keep it as a raw cash, it will attract lot of unnecessary expenses, because the Devil card, which is a major card, more to do with the mental tension, and like you're scared, so you will go ahead and spend it, or there will be some hospital expenses, so you have to be careful. How will be the family life? The 10 of Wands and the Fool card, which means you have to go at the backward and allow the people to talk on your behalf in the front. If you want to lead the group, the people should not say, this is the leader, he did it for us. No, they all should feel the leader is there, he is guiding us, we did it for him. So you should be like that. You have to be a leader, silent and invisible. Your people will do it in the front. If you are going to say, no, I did it, I am going to do it, and you listen to me, you are going to have lot of problems. So I would say, do some rituals to make your life very peaceful, especially on your birthday, marriage day, and birthday of your family members. Very important. That's how we are going to carry the group along with you. So please, if you like the video, share the video and subscribe for my channel, so you'll have more predictions coming on. Thank you.